Every 6 months, the editorial team at the ERP Software Blog evaluates the Microsoft Dynamics tools across key categories. This list recognizes the best tools for manufacturing, spotlighting solutions that help manufacturers improve production visibility, maintenance management, engineering integration, and operational efficiency within Microsoft Dynamics 365. Here are the 2026 best Microsoft Dynamics tools for manufacturing in no particular order. Vicinity Software. Vicinity Software offers purpose-built process manufacturing extensions for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, supporting formula-based operations with recipe management, batch traceability, and quality control for regulated industries. CADTalk. CADTalk connects CAD systems and bill of materials data directly with Microsoft Dynamics ERP, using an AI-powered rules engine to eliminate manual data entry and reduce errors across more than 15 supported CAD platforms. Stadion delivers manufacturing and supply chain solutions for Microsoft Dynamics 365, including the original engineering change management module, with bidirectional synchronization between engineering systems and production execution. Lumen Inc. provides a CMMS Plus platform that integrates lot monitoring, predictive maintenance, and asset management with Microsoft Dynamics ERP, helping manufacturers move from reactive to predictive maintenance models. To see the full list and explore each solution in detail, visit erpsoftwareblog.com.